Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nuria. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you about Vlookup. My content is very brief. What I will do is I will explain what Vlookup is and what it does, and then follow it up with a demo. After that we will go to solving some IGCSE question 1. Alright, so what is Vlookup and what does it do? It's a searching tool. You have a library of data and then you want an information, maybe an email of a person. So using the name of a person, you search the email. That's it. So let's go to the example. I have a short Excel demo. So here, this is a table I have. I want to display age of Fatima. So let's use Vlookup. This is how we write it. Vlookup. Alright, and then the most important thing here, how many inputs it takes and which input. So the first one is the search value, which is this one. And then it is a table. So I will select this table. After that, separate with comma. The third input is column. On which column is the data found? The data that we want to display. It is a second. Now the last one you can ignore it, but it would be a good practice if you include. I will write false to mean if you did not find this information. That means if Fatima is not in the list, ignore it or return nothing. Enter. So tada, we got it. So now let's go to one IGCSE paper and solve one question. The question is this one. To make it short, they are looking for the type of the driver to be displayed on cell C35 using an external worksheet and the name of the driver. So let's go there and do that. So this is the worksheet. You can see here type is empty here. So I will write equal sign and then Vlookup. Okay, and then select logo, comma. Now our table is not on the same worksheet, it's external. So I will go to the external worksheet and select my table. Mindful that you select only the table that contains your data, okay? So I select this one, and then after that I go back to this table and I put comma, and then on which column was it found? It was on third column. We'll go back and to verify that with you. So then false. Enter. Press enter. So it's showing me drive master. Now we can go back to the question. The question is saying replicate this formula for all drivers. So what do we do? Is we don't have to write everything from scratch, just duplicate this formula. Okay, that's it. So now you can see every information for the other drivers is displayed. You can go here and verify if it was correct. The logo is a drive master, it's here, and then it's also found on the third column. I hope you have found something I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. For more tutorials, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.